Hallo liebe Leute, let's take a look at Arbeitsbuch Seite 100. Yeah, so in this section of the Arbeitsbuch, we're talking about traveling. So the first thing we need to have is some modes of transportation. In this exercise, you're dragging the names of the mode of transportation over to the blanks. Yeah, so you see the little squiggly lines. Yeah, just see where the line goes, like this one goes to the Fahrrad, and then the end of the sentence is an die Nordsee. Okay, so that's how you tell what goes where. Let's take a look at the answers. Also, so ich fahre mit dem Bus, ja, also listen closely, I'm going to pronounce everything for you. Ich fahre mit dem Bus, squiggly line, nach Italien, to Italy, ja. Ich fahre mit dem Bus nach Italien. Nummer 2, Erwin fährt mit dem Fahrrad, here's your Fahrrad, fährt mit dem Fahrrad an die Nordsee, to the North Sea, yeah? Also, which is on the western coast of Germany, yeah. Also, Nummer 3, Sarah fährt mit dem Auto, there it is, mit dem Auto, squiggly line, nach Wien, to Vienna. Ja? Sarah fährt mit dem Auto nach Wien. Also Nummer 4, Ilge fährt mit dem Fahrrad, blue line, in die Schweiz. Ja? She goes by bike to the Switzerland. Nummer 5, Stefan fliegt mit dem Flugzeug auf die Insel Mallorca. Also, he flies with the airplane auf die Insel Mallorca, onto the island of Mallorca. Mallorca is an island off the coast of Spain. I wish y'all could probably see the map back there a little bit easier, but it's an island off the coast of Spain that is super popular for German tourists. In fact, sometimes it's called Germany's 17th state, yeah, because there are so many Germans there in Mallorca. All right, Nummer 5. Wir fahren mit dem Auto, gray line, an die Donau. We go by car to the Danube River, an die Donau. Okay, onto the feminine Danube River. Meine Mutter fährt mit dem Bus nach Polen. Yeah, my mom goes by bus to Poland. Lots of good international bus options from Germany. Yeah, we rode the bus from Germany to the Czech Republic and then on to Vienna really inexpensively, like $10 a person. Super cheap. And it drops you right in the center of the city, so you can easily travel all over Europe by bus and by rail inexpensively. If you take a bicycle with you, then you can go all over the city. Once you get there, it's just so easy to travel all over Europe. Okay, and our last one, mein Vater fliegt mit dem Flugzeug in die USA, to the United States, yeah, in die USA. So, things that you need to notice grammatically here. Notice that all of your transportation is dative in this case because it comes after the dative preposition mit. You will always use dative case after the preposition mit. Over here on the other side, maybe you're noticing in die Schweiz, in die USA, an die Nordsee, an die Donau, auf die Insel. Over here, everything is accusative. Yeah, it's an accusative case, even after these prepositions in and on and auf that we used dative case last chapter, but this time it's going to be accusative case because we're going there, okay? And because we're going on to the island, we start somewhere else and we go on to the island. Now it's accusative case, not dative case, okay? If that's confusing to you, don't worry about it. We're going to keep working on it for a long time. All right, let's go on to the next bit. Next bit was drag the labels to the photos, yeah? And then you were going to hear about these things in the upcoming listening activities. So here they are. Yeah, Also die Freiheitsstatue, you bet you recognize that. Also Surfkurs, yeah, there's the surfboards, the kids standing on surfboards. Schwimmbad, going off the slide. Musical, looks like probably The Lion King. Also Hamburger, yeah, we know that. And Wanderung, hiking. Okay, and then you listen to the audio and you fill in the chart, yeah, with as much information as you can. So you listen to the students talking, and this is what they said. Ja, Junge Nummer 1, also war ans Meer, at the ocean. Ja, an die Nordsee, on the North Sea. That's the western coast of Germany. Also, well, northwest, ja. Also, und ist nach Büsum gegangen. Okay? Also, und was ist diese Person, was hat diese Person gemacht? What did they do? Also, Wanderungen, hiking, Surfkurs, und in Schwimmbad. Ja, they went to the pool. Also, Mädchen 1, ja, sie war auch ans Meer, an die Ostsee. So, this is on the eastern north coast of Germany. Auf die Insel Rügen, Germany's largest island, Rügen. Also, und sie ist baden gegangen. She went swimming, ja, im Meer, in the ocean. Und das war Spaß, ja. Und sie war auch im Schwimmbad and also at the pool. Mädchen Nummer 2 war in die USA und sie ist nach New York geflogen, ja. She went to New York and Florida to Miami. Also, sie hat ein Musical gesehen. She saw a musical, ja, and the Freiheitsstatue, ja, und sie hat einen Hamburger gegessen. Yeah, she ate hamburgers. Of course, when you come to the U.S., you have to eat a good burger. Also, Junge Nummer 2 ist nach Bayern gegangen. He went to Bavaria, Bayern, wandern, yeah, he went hiking in the Alps. Nice. Okie dokie, guys. Also, if you have questions, just let me know. Tschüss.